It is said that Chinese cucumber salad originated in Ming Dynasty. Only 10 minutes you can make it. Wash and smash the cucumbers with knife. Then cut cucumbers into pieces. Smash and add the garlic and green onion. Let's make the sauce for the Chinese cucumber salad. Put green onion, chili powder, toasted sesame seeds, and garlic into a plate. Heat oil and spray the hot oil onto the ingredients of cucumber salad and plate. Now we add more sauces to the plate, including soy sauce, Chinese black vinegar, salt, sugar, and sesame oil. Add the cut cucumbers to the plate and mix them together. Add optional ingredients, toasted peanuts, and coriander if you prepare them. It's done. Cucumber salad tastes stronger and better after refrigerated. It's an ideal cold dish for